Hey guys, this is another video how to make a Scion SRS old key loss when the key code is not in the dart lock. So you got to remove the plastic, remove this protection here, and remove the C clamp that we got right here. I'll be right back with you in a second. So you got to remove this section here. It's no need, but it might fly away, so better you remove it. Hold this one down. Since we already removed the C clamp, it's right here. So in the back, it should come right off. Make sure you remove the spring. Okay, now that that spring has been removed, it will slide right off. Just be careful taking it out. It's harder for me since I'm recording it with my phone. Each wafer will have a number. Make sure to remember it's still Toyota, so you must use the conversion number for each wafer. 1 is 4, 4 is 1, 2 is 3, and 3 is 2. So first wafer, I'm going to take it out from the top, will be number 10. And the wafer number is, so you see how it's a number 3 right there. So that will be 2. Instead of a 3, it's a 2. That's the conversion on Toyotas. And you do the same with the rest of them. Make sure you keep the order. Normally, I would say start from bottom to the top, from the bow pretty much to the tip. The problem here was easier for me since I'm doing it with just one hand. Make sure you write it down, and you'll be missing 2 numbers. This one it's normally 10 cots that this key used. So you will start from the number 3 to the 10. You will leave empty the first 2. Those are the ones that you can get decoded with your machine or with the software. To cut this key, so like I said, we already have the last one. On the wafer was number 3. We're gonna put number 2 on it. Since it says, if you see, it's 10 cots. So we're gonna start from the 3rd position, decoding from bow to tip. So the first cut will be on the wafer. We have a number 3 again, so that will be 2. The next one is a number 4, that will be 1. The next one is number 2, that will be 3. Next, it's 3 will be 2. The next one is 1, that's 4. Next will be 2, that's 3. The position 9 is a 4, that will be 1. You hit fine beating, turn your Bluetooth, connect to the machine, do it again, fine beating. So these are all the possible cuts that your key may have. You can cut only one key. If you see it says key 1, here's just key 2. It may look like you will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different keys, but actually you can cut the key number 1, you can cut it 7 times. Key number 2, you can cut it 3 times. And one of these may be your key. Let's start with the first one. I'll let you know as soon as I get it. So every single key that you caught will turn the door lock opener. Will work here, but will not work on your ignition since it's missing those 2 codes, and that's the ones we're trying to get. I already cut the first one, didn't work out. Like I told you, you need 2 keys. So this is pretty much key 1, key 2. I'm doing the second cut of that one. I'm about to cut the second one on this one. So after trying was the 3rd code. And that's it. So you can proceed to cut the right one and program it. Only Auto ProPet was able to do it. You have to wait 15 minutes for the immobilizer to be reset, and make sure you have 2G chip or keys. That way you can add it to the system once it's done. If you don't have 2 key in the system, the car won't start.